Greetings, friends. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of color-changing slime, courtesy of a nifty material known as thermochromic powder. This remarkable substance alters its color in response to temperature shifts. Imagine adding it to slime and witnessing the transformation from purple to pink as the slime warms up. A fascinating science experiment indeed. Creating this slime requires white school glue, a borax solution, water, and purple thermochromic powder. Combine these ingredients until you achieve a stretchy, sticky concoction. Observe the magic as I immerse the slime in warm water. Notice the lightening of the purple hue where the slime contacts the warm cup. That's the thermochromic powder reacting to the heat. Once cooled, it reverts to its darker shade of purple, but apply heat to a specific area and that part alone changes color. Thermochromic materials respond to heat by altering their molecular structure, thereby changing the way they reflect light and modifying their color. This principle underpins heat-sensitive color-changing items like mood rings and fever-detecting forehead strips. A testament to the wonders of thermochromics. I encourage you to try crafting heat-sensitive slime. Stay tuned for our next experiment with a different type of color changer. Until then, keep exploring.